In this video, we'll be talking about hashtags on Thread. Now, we'll be seeking to answer the question, what happens when you post an hashtag on Thread, and can you even post hashtags on Threads? Now, let's open our Thread application here, and then we need to select the middle option to add a new thread. Now, as you know, typically with any application that allows hashtag, as soon as you enter the hashtag, you would be greeted with a variation of options to choose from. So trending tags and so on and so forth. So let's type, let's see, thread, hashtag threads. Now, as you can see, nothing was highlighted. So let's click on post. And as you can see here, it is posting. Now let's view our post. Now on our profile here, we have hashtag threads. Now, if we tap on it, nothing will happen. That is because on threads, it does not allow you to post hashtags just yet. That has not been integrated in their system. I'm sure this is going to be something that will be rolled out soon in the near future. So for now, hashtags on threads cannot be posted, and even if you post an hashtag, it will not mean anything, as it will not be discoverable by anyone who types that specific keyword. So that is it. I hope this video answered your question. Can hashtags be posted on thread? And the answer is no, not for now anyway. So thank you for watching. Hacker 007 out.